morning, guys. Saturday, but I have work today. Got these two. This is our mini family. He doesn't mind the camera. We're just like, no camera.
Focus on food.
Baba. Yeah. Kailangan pa niyang mag-small eat kasi.
I'm trying to actually just.
Look at him. Baba, no. Akala niya may food sa kamay ko eh. Big boss?
He probably will. He's excited.
He's so excited.
Do you know what the weather thing is? We do need to go to Canada. We need to get a small size harness because he's already really energetic and we need to take him for a walk.
Yeah. So we need to go there now?
But we've got to sort of train him and stuff like that. I don't know if it's worth waiting a day before taking him for a walk or waiting until like later on. I'll try and train him.
Today, the whole day. Because I have work, so both of them will have the whole day without me.
Yeah, I'm going to try and train him.
He's going to be trained. He's gonna be trained. Very good. This is camera, Baba. Come here. Look at the cam. I was like,
so we need to go to Canada and get a cage.
Big boss. Look at the cam.
Because ideally,
smile.
Ideally,
Bebe, I'm teaching him to smile. Smile. Smile.
That's not teaching him to smile.
Wow. Wow. He poses. Smile. This is my dog. Oh, sorry. This is my dog.
Baby, I was trying to explain something and you're just like...
Poop. Hi, we kiss.
Perfect.
Hi.
Baby.
Yeah.
What I reckon.
And so guys, what time is it? It's exactly 7 p.m. and we're going to the Bendigo Food Truck Festival. We left boss attention eat because he's having his dinner. And then ayun, di namin siya isasama kasi nga nagka-car sick pa siya. We're training him to ride in the car so he won't be car sick, but then we don't want him, like we don't want to push him too hard. So yun, tomorrow we might bring him to the vet. So ayun, so we're gonna have our date because it's my first year in Australia. Did you drink?
Yeah, I did.
I can smell it.
But don't worry, that was what I think it was 4 over about 12 to 5. So it keeps me under the limit.
Okay. We're here. We're here. And there's no payment? Yeah. Wow. It's larger than Ballarat. Love.
This is a lot larger than last time. Fuck, that's so huge.
Wow. I love it. Fly on my face.
Yeah, it's a fine one.
Come on, let's go on the food. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're walking.
I'm so hungry. There's a lot of dogs. Hindi namin sinama si boss kasi baka nga mag-car sick. I think I mentioned it to you already a while ago. What smoothie will I get? Mango tango.
Yeah. Do you want another
There's no line, right? Yep.
3.
I really hate the flies. I got myself a mango tango. We're just waiting for Doug's strawberry deluxe.
Thank you.
That's what Doug get. It's actually masarap, right? Masarap? Yan. Tayo namin ang aming calamari. Sunod na kami. So, what are we gonna say? Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next food. Gusto niya mag-Lebanese. Me. It's either satay or grilled chenes. Check natin. There's still a line with the pork thingy. Let's check that one. Yay. He's coming. He's coming with food. Hey. Wow. Oh, smells good. Thank you. Yeah. Yum.
We're gonna be able to eat this.
Can you hold it? Move. So you get what of them?
Consolation prize.
Yeah, that's right. Hi, Mom. So you get another. One more. That's struggling. You win. Big prize.
Look good. She's so happy.
Come and pick any prize.
David, make sure to hand the stick back before you wax up. Before you take someone like that. Yeah.
You get one of that, 2 out of that. Oh. You get one of that.
You want the unicorn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you guys from?
From here in Bendigo.
So, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Still got the accent.
Oh yeah, no, I'm from New Zealand originally, so.
One of the unicorns.
Yeah. And yeah, she's from the Philippines, so.
Yay!
See ya.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So happy.
I should film you.
Why?
Nothing. You're having fun. Oh, we need. Hi guys, good morning. And feed time. A while ago, we are just like playing around with him outside while asking him to go to the toilet, and then what else?
He didn't even go to the toilet, did he?
Pee. Yeah, poo not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
I reckon give it about half an hour after he's finished its food, and then.
so he only pee and then play around outside while we talk to Doug's dad, because that's it's his dad's birthday today, so we talk to him, and then yeah, we're gonna have a walk outside and then go to the vet, and then that's it. I'm actually doing the laundry for my uniform. And yay! Good morning. Good morning. We actually woke up beside Boss this morning. He's in the middle of the two of us, and like a human like that, asking for a belly rub.
When I first woke up, he was down at my feet.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, and then he crawled. I
He
woke
crawled.
up when he's in the middle of us already.
So he crawled up. When I realised that he was up the thing, I called him up, and then yeah, he crawled up.
Ah, okay. Yeah, we're actually feeding him through a slow feeder because he really eats so fast. So that one makes him eat so slow, which is a good thing. And cute slow feeder. And then we also bought him his toys. Where's his toy? That one. Treat thingy.
Oh, mate.
Treat thingy. And then what else? We bought my baby. Tapos when we're going out and we have to leave him like yesterday because we attended the food truck festival. Doug put treats here and then or beside or anywhere and then hanapin niya. Tapos yun. That's keeping him entertained. What's keeping my baby entertained? Both in the cards.
Yeah.
Not me. Oh, yan. Wow. Yeah, I've been very busy at work. Ayan. Oh. He loves the camera. Finish. Almost done. Almost done. Don't bite it a lot. Getting crazy like Papa. So, tapos na kami mag-morning walk with him. I don't think I filmed. Did I film something? I think I did. Just today or right now, we're just going to the vet kasi hindi pa siya nakakapag-vet. Meron siyang records, but he also have his new vet. Pero gusto naming malaman what is the best thing to do for him and such like that. Yeah, and it's really nice to have him check as well. So, I'm just using my old specs kasi wala lang, hindi man ako magdadrive. Tapos, wala lang. I don't know why I keep on using this one. I just have lipstick on. Yan, ito yung kay Jeffree Star na one of the nude lippy. I think this one is in Leo. Ayan, tapos may pimples ako dito. Pero okay naman siya. I really hate how I'm growing baby hairs. Kasi parang messy ng itsura ko. Pero okay naman. Ayun, I'm just wearing a simple shirt tapos short. Yun lang. Kita yung dalawa naglalaro dun. Thinking of film, but do you think we can bring the camera with us?
Yeah.
Yep. Dali namin kayo. So, kanina kasi yung walk, hindi na namin kayo dinala. Kasi, ikot lang kami konti kasi medyo mainit na rin eh. It's already hot, so we just walk for a bit. Yep. So, right now, I think we need to go kasi yung nagpa-vet appointment kami 10:30. It's almost 10. So, yun. Done with the vet. So, we're just gonna go to this place for food and stuff. So we found out that he's actually
Abby, your door's still not closed.
oh, he's actually underweight for his huh?
Still not closed. There we go.
He's underweight for his month or stage. Yeah, so he's underweight for his age. He's supposed to be around 12-ish kilos, but he's only 7.4. But yeah, we figure out that because, you know, he have lots of brothers, so I think they're gonna be fed at once and then he cannot get lots of food. Because even he's actually whenever we're feeding him, he feels like there's gonna be a competition. So I think we figured out that's why he is a bit underweight. But if we're gonna feed him new food with vitamins and such.
Yeah.
And then Royal Canin, we're gonna buy Royal Canin, and then he needs to get bigger or like healthier, put on more weight that he should. So he's actually 4 months. He's already 4 months and he's just there. Already drooling. Yeah, he's alright. Is it alright?
Yeah, we'll just have to keep stopping.
Yeah.
Like
yeah, he's still getting car sick. And then we also found out that he's really anxious. So we have to train him, especially for his breed.
Oh, you sort this out.
Look at these. Well, hi everyone. So I already set up this table. This is actually a new one. Tinaray namin siya kaso mag-blend with this color. Kaso iba pala yung color niya. So pero okay lang naman. Ayan, dyan siya para sorry messy ang aming kama. Para pag ako'y mag-film. Ayan. Tapos yung vlogging gaming room. Hi. Sorry, makalat talaga ang aming room. Motif is industrial. So, ito ang aking magiging tawag dito, office. Dito ko gagawin ng editing and stuff. While doon ay filming. Tsaka, Yan. Aral din dito. Ganon. Come here. Boss.
Boss.
Yep. So, ayan yung kailipat ko to doon. Few stuff. Makeup. Not yet sure. Yeah. Nilipat namin. Yung binili namin sa Kmart. Kaya mag-haul ako. Mag-haul muna ako, guys, ng binili namin sa Kmart. Or reject shop muna tayo. Konti lang naman yung binili namin sa reject shop. Ang plano talaga pupuntang Bunnings kasi bumili si Doug ng hard hat para sa work tsaka yung sa protection sa ear. Ganon. Tapos bumili na rin kami ng pet wet wipe sa Bunnings. Sa Bunnings. Sa reject shop. Tapos ito, cuisine selection can opener. Ayan. Kailangan namin ng can opener. Tapos yan, chocolate ni Doug. M&M. Naka-sale kasi. Kmart, binili namin yung table, yung Scandi. Sa Kmart namin binili. Tsaka yung file thingy ni Doug siya. Inaayos niya. Ito, measuring cups and spoon sets. Kay Airy May. Yan. Kay Airy May ito. Bilang siya. Nag-ipon ako ng mga stuff na ipapadala ko kay Airy May. Tsaka kina mama, ganun. Kay Momo. Bat towel. Taga ako ng bat towel. Bagong bago. Tapos ito pa. Ito yung treats ni boss. Yan yung treats niya. Binilang ko ng isa pa. Kapag mga maliliit na like vegetables lang yung i-chop ko. $1.50 lang. Ito, pet drink bottle kapag nag-walk kami. Ayan, binili na namin si boss. Tapos ito, sobrang love ko talaga ang mga baonan. So, bumili na naman ako ng bago. Pero para sa akin lang. 5-section lunchbox. Ito, mas maganda to. Kasi section-section siya eh. Yung mga nabili ko, hindi eh. Tapos ito, may panibago akong cookbook. The Easy Kitchen. Yun. Yung unang bili namin, sobrang ganda din niya. Ay, naku, naglalaro yung dalawa. Nilalaro niya ng laser. Ginawang pusa. Pero ayun, yun nga. Linisin ko na to. Linis-linis na kami ng bahay. Tapos luto ako later. Guys, let's eat. So, I cook, ano ba to? Garlic egg fried rice. Tapos, ito yung century tuna. Fried century siya. May egg at saka onion. Tapos, ito yung sauce, diba? Ayan. Sarap. Pinoy style. Hi guys! So, it's Monday today and I don't have work. 8 o'clock. Actually, nagising ako ng mga around 5. Hindi pala ba, mga 5. Bago mag-5. Bago umalis si Doug. Tapos, ayun, hindi na ako nakatulog. Nadula ako sa kama. Nag-Facebook. Basta nag-internet kung ano nung ginagawa. And then, bumangon ako ng mga around 7:30. Pinakain ko tong... No, Baba, no. No, boss, no. Pinakain ko tong isa. Pinakain ko siya ng dog food. Yun. Pinakain ko siya ng dog food ng breakfast niya. Tapos, yun. Nilabas ko siya sa likod. Magulang buhok ko, guys. Sorry. Nilabas ko siya sa likod. Tapos, ayun. Doon siya nagpupu at saka umihi. Kaya, very good yung batang yan. Very good. Kasi nitrain namin na sa labas siya tuwing pagkakain. Yun. Sabi ni Doug, ilabas ko doon ng 30 minutes. Pero wala pang 30 minutes. Umihi na siya. So, wala pang 30. Tapos yun, maya. Pabalik-balik siya eh. Mamaya, doon siya nagpupo. Yun, doon siya nagpupo. Ayun, lagi siya tumatahol pag may naririnig siya sa labas. Yun, may anxiety pa nga. Pero, tinitry naman namin na mawala. Yan. Okay naman, mabait naman siya. Ayun, tapos ngayon, ano bang agenda ngayon? Mamaya pupunta ako ng Asian Emporium. Bibili lang ako ng mga pang Filipino style spaghetti kasi nag-request si Doug. Tapos ano pa ba? Ayun, mag-edit ako ng vlog. Tapos maya sa bandang hapon mag-aaral ako para sa CAPS exam. Nilalaro-laro ng bata. Ayun, yun lang naman. Update ko lang kayo. Edit ako ng vlog. Ito ako sa living room, sa lounge. Tapos, ano ba? Ano bang kakainin ko? Gutom na ako eh. Hi guys! So, it's 5:46 in the afternoon. Actually, kakain lang ng call ni Doug. Kaya hindi na din ako nakapag-haul ng binili ko sa Emporium. Nagpunta kasi ako ng Asian store para bumili ng pork belly. Yung pang shabu-shabu na pork belly. Tapos, ano ba? Bumili ako ng tteokbokki. Ito. Tapos, kasi nag-request si Doc ng spaghetti. Filipino-style spaghetti. Pag-uwi niya to sa Friday. Tapos, ayan. Yung pasta, Del Monte, tsaka original-style tomato sauce. Bumili ako ng magic sarap. Tapos, magluluto din kasi ako ng, Japanese sticky pork rice. Kaya, bumili na rin ako ng nori sheets. Try ko na rin gumawa ng bibimbap in one of these days. Or kimbap. One of these days. Ayan, lagay lang natin yan dyan. Yung niluluto ko, experiment lang talaga to. Kasi, meron akong nabili sa Asian store ng sauce ng spicy bulgogi. Ano na siya talaga, ilalagay mo na lang yung sauce, ganito, ganyan. Eh, parang gusto kong mag-experiment. Ito tayo, experiment. Ayun, tapos kayo, hindi ko na na-film kasi nga, taga-video call ko nga si Doug. So, basically, ano lang siya, prito yung spicy pork bulgogi, tsaka onions. Tapos, nalagay ko yung sauce, tapos, gochujang, yung spicy pepper paste nila. Yun, tapos tteokbokki. Yun lang. Ayan na ang kinalabasan, guys. Ito talaga yung ginawa ko, bimbap. Tapos naisip ko lang gumawa ng, ginawa ko talaga spicy bulgogi. Tapos naisipan ko lang ng gumawa ng kimbap. Ayan. Nom-nom. Hi, guys. So, actually, I was planning na, akala ko magigising ako sa delivery. Hindi. Nagising ako kasi, around 8:30 na, magna 9 o'clock na. So, kailangan nang kumain itong makulit na to. Hindi niya ako pinapatulog talaga. Hindi niya ako pinapahinga kasi tahol siya ng tahol in small things. Sobrang nai-stress ako. Pero, okay lang. Okay lang. Diba? Okay lang. Naging mabait naman siya. Mga around, past 1? Past 1? Past 2? Ayun. Tapos, ayun nga, napakain ko na siya. Lalabas na kami para ng potty train. Pero, dumating yung buho outfit ko. Ayan. Sobrang inihintay ko to kasi ito yung gagamitin ko sa Saturday. Pero, okay lang yan. Mamaya natin siya bubuksan, guys. Kailangan lang itong mag-training muna kami ng bunso. Buksan natin itong buho. Buho chenes. Napakalaking package. Ayan. Sobrang love ko ang kanilang mga outfit, tsaka material. Bet. Tsaka maraming choices pa. I love ko din naman ang show ko, pero minsan wala lang talaga akong mapili. 2 swimsuits. Ayan. Aabangan nyo yan. Hindi ko pa. Tingnan lang natin kung makakasya ba yung size. Kung tama ba ang aking napiling size. Feeling ko, oh my God. Bet, guys. Pak! Pak ganun. Ito ang isa. Ito. Same size. Parehong one piece. Bumili ako, 3 play suit. Sobrang gusto ko na, parang yun na yung nasa wardrobe ko. Nagiging sa wardrobe. Di naman super. Kasi I still love lots of, shirts, tsaka mga ganun. Pero, lagi ng playsuit yung in-order ko. Ito yung isa. Parang malaki. Pero, tama lang siya kasi yung tela niya is hindi stretchable. Siyempre, yung tummy natin. Teka lang. Ang isa ay naglilikot. Tapos, ito yung isa. Ayan. Ito yung likod. Ito yung una. Parang halter style. Ano ko lang, gusto ko kasi lagi may may bulsa. Kaso walang mga bulsa dito. Ito yung isa. Bet na bet ko tong isa. Bet ko to. As in. Sobrang ganda talaga ng material nila. As in, sobra. Ito manipis lang. Pang beach talaga. Ayan. Parang medyo malaki siya. Revealing. Kasi okay lang. Swimsuit naman ang i-inner ko dito. Kaya okay lang. Hi guys! So, it's actually 9 p.m. At ka-video chat ko ngayon si Remart. Say hi! Ayan. Naglipat ulit kami ng bahay, guys. Ayun. sa Pinas. Bago na ulit ang aming house. So, nagluluto lang ako na, ano ba, hindi ko maintindihan na dumudulas kasi yung ano eh. Anyway, nagluluto lang ako ng corned beef. Good morning, guys. Napakain ko na si boss. Hindi ako masyado nakatulog sa kanya kasi nagtatatahol siya. Sinasanay namin siya na hindi namin katabi or hindi kami nakikita para pag iniiwan namin sa work, hindi siya nagkakaroon ng anxiety. So, ayun. Tingnan niya naman ang batang ito. Oops! Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Aray ko ang koko. Ayan! Achut! No? Stay. Stay. It's, what time is it? 9:03 p.m.
Well, I've got
My baby's here.
20 minutes to have a shower.
Yeah, my baby's here.
Wait, it's 9:03 already?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna have to call Matt, find out if I forgot.
Yeah, we go tomorrow. Yeah, so I actually, what is it? So, dahil si Tag ay naliligo, maghahain na ako. Papakita ko sa inyo ang aming in-order. Meron silang Nando's Perinaise Chip Tip. Ayun. Chip Tip. Tapos ito yung chips ni Dad. Okay, maingay. Kukuha na ako. Coke. Siyempre. Mild corn. Akin ito. Corn cup. Spice rice. Lit lang pala niya. Pero okay lang. Burger pala yung in-order niya. Kaya pala may chips. Okay. Pepper chicken wings. Oh, legs pala ang binigay sa akin. Ang sarap na amoy, guys. Lulutuin ko, guys, ay bacon omelette. So, maghahain na tayo, guys. Ayan, ito. May tira pa yung sa amin sa kagabi. Anyway, ito yung luto ko. Ayan, yun yung omelette. Bacon cheese omelette. Tapos, ang aking drinks ay coffee. Tea. Tea 2 na just chamomile. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng milk. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Ayan lang. Hi, guys! So, it's 11:34, so dapat 11:30 nakaalis na ako. Pero kasi si Doug ang magdadrive, yes, ihahatid niya ako, na-miss niya ako, char. Last week actually almost siya yung nag-drive sa akin. Tapos susundin na din niya ako mamaya. Hi guys! So it's actually 8:32 at kakauwi lang namin ni Doug. So, ano ba? Galing akong work, sinundo niya ako, tapos diretso kami sa Kmart. So, mag-haul muna ako ng mga gamit na kasi super massive nito. Ang dami namin pinuntahan. So, first, Kmart muna tayo. Sa Kmart, tumatawa si boss. Sa Kmart, bumili kami ng 6 bamboo utensils. Kasi mas gusto ko talaga nagluluto gamit ang bamboo. Tapos, bumili din kami ng toys ni boss. Meron kami ditong dinosaur. Tumatahol siya. Pizza, donut. Tapos, ito yung chew bone niya. Meron din siya ditong, nylon chew toy. Ayan. Ayan. Ito. Tapos, what else? You're so mean. My bag. That's my bag. Tatalo na yan. Tatalo na yan. Papa, what's this? Oh, you're gonna play with him first? Okay. Tapos, ito, bumili ako ng, ano bang tawag dito? Hair what? Nakalagay lang hair. Ang cute. So, ribbon sa ulo. Yan, bumili ako. 2 set. Bumili din ako ng slippers ko kasi yung Havaianas ko actually guys, nginat-ngat siya ni boss. Nagkaroon siya ng anxiety, nginat-ngat niya. Tapos, bumili na din ako ng sandals. Slippers sa, sandals. Ito. Nakaano kasi, half price. Tapos, bumili ako nito. Parang ano ba? Bun. Donut bun. Kasi kita nyo, hilig ako sa bun. Kasi gusto ko maganda siya. Hindi ko siya ma-perfect. Tapos, travel toothbrush holder. Kasi nga, kami ay magta-travel nitong isa. So, ayan. Yan ang first part. Tapos, ito talaga ang pinunta namin sa Kmart. Dahil nga pupunta kami ng beach, bumili kami ng beach towel. Ayan. Yan ang design niya. Round beach towel. Design niya mga pom-pom trees. Bumili din kami ng underwear, boxer, tapos ito, bag. Parang ano siya? Tawag ito? Weekender bag. Ayan, medyo malaki. Para sa akin. Para madala ko yung mga gamit ko sa beach. Kasi ito, 480 baby wipes. Kaya kami bumili ng baby wipes kasi may baby na kami. Ang aming boss, ayan, kailangan niya yan para sa kanya mga pupu. After ng Kmart, pumunta kami ng reject shop. Sa reject shop, bumalik kami nitong heavy-duty all-purpose wipes. Actually, nakita ko lang yung kasi yung binili ko noon, 540. 4 pieces lang. 4 pieces. So, nakakita ko ng 20. Tuwan-tuwa na ako, guys. Ito. 200 sheets lang naman. Super mura. Kasi, yung 20 sheets ay $5. Ito, ay 20 sheets $3. Ito, 200 sheets $9. Meron itong, ito kasi yung gusto ni Doug na brush, na dish brush. Gusto niya to. Ito yung gusto niya, ayaw niya yung isa. Tapos bumili na din na kami ng multi-purpose na gloves. Disposable gloves. Kasi pag nagdadakot kami ng pupu. And then after that, dumaan naman kami ng Kohl's kasi Kmart, reject shop, Kohl's dito. Ayan, bumili kami ng gatas. Yeah. Tapos condensed milk, naiwan sa sakyan kasi nabutas nga siya. 2 condensed milk dahil sa spaghetti na gagawin ko at saka sa fruit salad. Tapos ito naman, eggs. Kasi magluluto ako ng hard-boiled egg curry. Ayun. Request ni Doug. And then, last but not the least, Chemist Warehouse. Dumali kami ng Chemist Warehouse. So, bumili kami ng, kasi ubos na yun sa amin, 36 value pack na toilet paper. Essential siya dito sa Australia. Tapos ito na lang kasi yung tira. So bili na lang ulit kami. Ano siya? Paper towel. Dati 2 lagi ang binibili kong ganyan. For like 2 weeks na. Kaso ayun. Bumili din ako na kami ng Green Shield food surface. So food surface wipes. So meron namin microwave wipes, stainless steel, tsaka yan, food surface. Tapos si Doug kasi, ayaw niya yung spray na sunscreen. So, ito yung nabili naming sunscreen. Bumili kami ng sunscreen lotion. Yung akin kasi spray. Tapos, kasi, abangan nyo yung gagawin kong Valentine makeup tutorial. I think mauna pa yon kaysa dito. Yeah, mauna yon kaysa dito. So, uploaded na siya. So, don't forget to watch it. Ito, mga Maybelline products. So, saka makikita nyo naman siya. Makikita nyo siya sa video. Or nakita nyo na siya. Ayun. Anyway, yun lang. So, maglalaro na kami with boss. And then, luto pa ako. Ayun.
So I think that's all for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So see you guys on the next vlog. Thank you!